Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Add photo gallery. Open color mix. Adjust yellow color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust orange color. Adjust luminous. Adjust saturation. Click to done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Adjust color grading. Adjust luminous. Adjust blending. Adjust balance. Click to done. Open Light Tools. Adjust contrast. Adjust whites. Adjust blacks. Open effects. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Adjust highlights. Open Light Tools. Adjust curve. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.